In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Google Calendar with GoHighLevel. By the end of this walkthrough, your Google Calendar will be fully integrated, so your appointments and bookings can sync smoothly inside your GoHighLevel account. Let's get started right inside GoHighLevel. First, from your main dashboard, head over to the Launchpad area. This is usually the starting point when you log in, and it gives you quick access to the most important setup items for your account. Make sure you're in the correct location or sub-account where you actually want the calendar connection to live. From the Launchpad, look for the option labeled Settings. Go ahead and click on Settings. This is where you manage all of your account level configurations, including things like company details, integrations, and calendars. Inside the Settings area, find and select Integrations. This section is dedicated to connecting external tools and services, and Google Calendar is one of the key integrations you'll use here. Take a moment to make sure you're in the Integrations tab, not in any of the other settings like Company or Pipelines. Once you're on the Integrations page, look for the Google Calendar option. Next to it, you should see a button or link that says something like, "Take me there." Click on that. This will jump you directly to the Calendar Connections section, so you don't have to hunt around for it manually. Now that you're in the Calendar Connections area, look for a button that says, "Add New." Click Add New to start creating a brand new connection between GoHighLevel and your Google Calendar. This tells the system you want to set up a fresh calendar integration rather than editing an existing one. On the next screen, you'll see an option to connect different calendar providers. Find Google Calendar and click on the Connect button next to it. This is the trigger that opens up the secure connection process between GoHighLevel and your Google account. At this point, a pop-up window will appear prompting you to log into your Google account if you're not already signed in. Choose the Google account that holds the calendar you want to sync. Then follow the prompts to grant GoHighLevel permission to access your calendar. Make sure you allow the requested permissions so events can be read and written correctly. Once you've confirmed everything, the pop-up will close and your Google Calendar will now show as connected in GoHighLevel. That's it. Your Google Calendar is successfully integrated and ready to use in